guys, it is November single swag time. I actually got this the day before Halloween, and I haven't opened it because my life has been crazy. But I finally found some time. I have a Friday night instead of going out. I'm opening single swag for you guys. And this has been taunting me. I've been studying for midterms, and then this has just been looking at me like, hello, when are you going to get to me? So finally, I'm going to love myself, yourself, and open it. Of course, you got your little, tells you what you got. This is the first item, a head wrap. Very funky. Let's see. Look at it like that. I don't know, reminds me of the 90s. Look at that. It's really soft. Look at that little work. It's cute. That would be really good for exercising. I'm actually getting a collection of these. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is presented. Woo. Little biscuits. Sugar almond shortbread cookies. It always brings a snack. This is $40 a box, and I signed up for a 6-month subscription, then got another 6-month subscription. But this little things that you pamper. It's for pampering. So snack. This is some Total Repair lip mask, which is actually really awesome for the winter coming up. Have to find my knife. Got my knife. Aids in opening this kind of stuff. Although this is going to be tricky. Why are boxes so tricky to open? Oh, you actually get multiple little packets. Oh, it's in the shape of a lip. So it's an actual mask that you put on, and it's a Laurent's Total Repair Mask. Brings a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you need some extra love. It instantly soothes lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines. I have had to put so much chapstick on lately because the air has been getting drier, and I'm in Florida, of course, and chapped lips, I mean, I need the humidity or my lips just go, my whole skin, I have lots and lots of moisturizers. Okay, this is the Botanical, has rosé, body wash infused buffer. Such a pretty package. Kind of makes me think of spring. Ooh, it smells really good. Not as much fall, so it's not as, oh my god, it's one of these sponges again. I love these. Let me tell you why. Okay, so I use this to like scrub my feet. And that's weird. But like you scrub everything and it's like filled with soap. Really good smelling soap. But my son, when he uses my shower, he will get every ounce of soap out of this to make tons of bubbles. So I try to hide it from him. But that is awesome. It probably lasts me a month. I don't know how long it's supposed to last you. Is that unsanitary to have a sponge full of soap for a month? No idea. Rejuvenating scalp massager. Ooh, this is probably fun. From Chizos. Did I say that right? Chizos. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Actually, that's pretty awesome. Could be also a hairbrush. It's really flexible bristles, and it's supposed to just get in. It's actually nice. There you go, scalp massager. I guess this would be really good also for like if you have like dandruff or something and you just need to without, you know what I'm saying? I don't have dandruff. I might have dandruff. I have no idea. I've had it in the past though, so I can sympathize. And then there's always some jewelry. It's usually really pretty cheap. They don't say it's cheap. They say it's expensive, but little necklaces. It's the Violet Harper. Let's see. I have a hard time wearing jewelry like this because My skin is very sensitive. It cannot have any like non-precious metals. I don't know if it's like the iron in it. That is super cute. Very delicate. Oh my god. Super cute. And then a little... Oh, and this one's a bracelet. So it's a necklace bracelet set. Super cute. Starting to get a little collection. No, I can't wear them, so Christmas presents. That's another great thing about getting these kinds of boxes. The SingleSwag box, you get random little things like that, and then you can re-gift them if you don't choose to like it. I'm also getting my Winter Fall Fab Fun box, which I have already selected my customizations, and I'm really excited. A couple of the items I have planned to go to friends, but that's another thing. This is lavender eye serum. Corrective serum. That's a little interesting. Is it for like around the eye, or is it? I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna have to research this one. What are you supposed to do with that? Because I'm sure you don't put that in your eye. It's not eye drops. It's a roll, which smells like lavender. Do you just put it around the eye? I don't know. Putting stuff around the eye sounds dangerous. Under the eye serum will reshape your view of the eye care. Natural oils, looking more youthful, radiant, and wide awake. So I guess when you wake up and you have those bags under your eyes, which I probably have bags under my eyes. It's been a crazy week. Put this on and it helps alleviate it. It has aloe, which reduces the redness. It has spirulina, which helps maintain youth and elasticity. Geranium, I can't pronounce words. Geranium oil, which tightens the facial skin and slows down the effects of aging, and lavender oil, which makes it smell good. And it also nourishes and minimizes lines. So you're supposed to put that right there. I don't think any of that's supposed to go in your eye, so be careful not to rub it in. That doesn't say it on the box, but I'm sure that's true. It smells really good, so maybe put a little right there. I don't know. And the last item, the last item in the box is the Laritzi Cosmetics, which, can you guess what this is? I can't. Let's see, it is cruelty-free, so it must be a product. Lip gloss. That's actually a really pretty color. I already have lip gloss on. Let's see. Oh, it's thick. Let's see. It's like a brownish red tint to it. I like it. So what do you guys think of my box? I'm really curious to try these actually. The SingleSwag box, $40 a month. It says it's a huge value. Let me see where the little thing is. Okay. So the lavender eye serum is supposed to be $42. That's crazy expensive, but essential oils can be expensive. And then the body wash buffer, that sponge thing that my kids like ruin every single time they find it, $20. That's crazy. The lip repair masks, $24. And I think we got like 5 of them in there. Did you get 5? I think there's 5 of them in there. $24. That makes sense. The shortbread cookies, $6. We'll see. This one's broken. It has a little design on it. That's cute. $6 for the cookies. The necklace set, this is what I'm telling you, overpriced. $58. I don't know. The bracelet and the necklace. Maybe. It says it's silver layered necklace. They say silver, but do they mean just the color? I don't think it's actually silver. It might be. $58. Okay. The scalp massager is $18. The head wrap's $22. And the lip gloss, $18. That's really good. It's really dry, but it's really good. What kind? Gabriel and Dauphine Home Kitchen. These are good. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm Charlotte's Oasis. Please like my video, especially if you got this far, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye, guys.